Hi friends, today we are going to be talking about regrouping using a chip abacus or a place value chart. We will be talking about the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. We won't be talking about the thousands place just yet. So this is a chip abacus or a place value chart. You can call it whatever you like. We are going to be talking about regrouping ones into tens, tens into hundreds, or hundreds into tens, and tens into ones. Now, our blue chips are going to equal our ones. So if I have 1 on here, this equals 1. Our green chips are going to represent our tens place. So 1 green chip equals 10. And our yellow chips are going to represent our hundredths place. So one of these equals 100. So as a little practice, we're going to kind of do this. If I have 10 of these on here, let's put 10 blue chips in the ones spot. 9, 10. This would equal 1 of these. So I could take these away and this would equal the same thing, or I could keep these on here, 10 of these, and it would equal the same thing. Now that goes the same thing for the hundreds. If I had 10 green chips on here and 1 yellow chip, that would equal the same thing. Or if I have 1 that equals 10, 1 equals 100, and so forth. So we are going to practice doing a silly to a standard representation. So the first one we are going to practice, let's just put a bunch on here. Let's do this, and then we'll do a bunch of tens. The point with the silly is to kind of show you how to take multiple of 1 and bring it down so that it's a little bit of a smaller number and it fits on our chip abacus. Because sometimes if we do something like this, it doesn't fit, as you can see. So we're just gonna put a bunch on here and then we'll count together to see what we have. Let's do a few more. Okay, let's start with our ones. Let's count how many ones we have in the ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So since we have 17 ones in the ones place, that means that we can move 10 of those and put them in the tens place and dwindle this down a little bit. Let's make this smaller. So let's count out 10 chips to create 1 for the tens place. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Since we took 10 away, we have to add 1 to the tens place to have 10. Now let's count the rest and see if we can do that again. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So since we have 7 in the ones place, we can't move any more over. So let's see how many we have in the tens place. It looks like we have quite a few. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Looks like we can move some over. So let's count out 10 of the tens chips and move them over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's move. We have 10 of those and we're gonna put 1 in our hundredths place. Now let's count to see how many more, to see if we can move any more tens over. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We cannot move any more over, so let's count our 100s to see if that needs to be switched. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Now, I purposefully did this because we're not doing thousands yet, so I made this a smaller number. So we know we can't regroup those. So it looks like we have everything regrouped. Now, let's write it down on a piece of paper and see what the number looks like. We have 5 in our 100ths place, 5. Now let's count how many we have in our 10th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 in our tens place, so we'll write a 7. And let's count how many we have in our ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We also have 7 in our ones place. This silly to standard representation gave us 577. Now, let's try that again. Let's see if we can do something a little different. So we'll clear our boards, put the colors in the right spot, and let's do something a little bit smaller this time so that our number isn't so big. So let's just put 200s on there. But now we can put as many 10s as we want. That's my favorite part, is getting to put whatever I want on the silly representation. It helps us practice counting and sometimes skip counting if you're counting by 10s, or even if you're counting by 100s. We're just gonna kind of stack them on here. We don't even have to count them right now because that's the fun of a silly representation. Let's add a bunch on the ones place. You can have as much fun with it as you want. We're just going to use this as some counting practice. So let's start with our ones place again and see what we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's a lot bigger and a lot more than we did last time. So let's count out 10 again to put a 10 in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 over here. That means we get to add one more to our 10 spot. Let's count them again. Let's see if we can add any more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have over 10 again, so that means we can add them over. So let's count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put one more on here. We got quite a few in the tens place. Let's count how many we have left in our ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. We can't move any more over, so we're going to leave the ones alone. Now let's count out our tens. This is quite a bit, so we're just going to count with 1, but each one of these does equal 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We have quite a few. So let's count out 10 to see if we can move any to our hundreds place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 that we can move back and put 1 in our hundreds place. It's really important that you remember to put 1 over here after you take these ones out. So let's do it again. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have another 10 that we're going to take out and add another one over here. Now let's see how many we have left. Let's see if we can regroup any more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can't regroup over here, and we only have 4 over here, so we can't regroup anymore. So let's write that number down again in our written form and see how many we have. So we have 4 in our 100ths place, so we'll write a 4. You can all be doing this with me. Now, let's count again just to make sure we have the right amount in our tens place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 in our tens place, so we'll write a 7 down. And let's count how many we have in our ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 in our ones place. So this number on our chip abacus looks like this in written form. We have 474. Now, let's do something a little bit different. We are going to do standard to silly. Okay? Let's see if we can do 187 in standard. I want you guys to help me do this. So if we have 1 in our hundredths place, that means we need to add 1 right here. In our tens place, we have an 8, so that means we need to add 8 green chips. So let's add 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now we have 7 in our ones place, so let's add 7 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. This is 187 on our chip abacus. Now, to make it silly, you have to do the same thing with regrouping. You have to count out 10 chips to put in one area if you take one away. So let's say let's take our 100 away. Let's get it out of there. Now that means we have to add 10 more over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have a bunch in the tens place. Now let's say we want more in the ones place. So let's take out one of these, put it in our green pile. Now we have to add 10 blue chips to our ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do that again. Let's see how many more we can add in our ones place. So we'll take one away and we'll add 10 more over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you see, we started with a small amount on our chip abacus, but when we regrouped into a silly representation, now we don't even have any in our hundreds place. But if we would count these back out and move them over, it would look the same. So this is 187, but in a silly representation. So let's try that again with a different number. I have another one over here. Let's say we have 341. So we're gonna put 341 on our chip abacus. So we have 1, 2, 3, because this is 340. So we need 4 green chips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 1 in our ones place, so let's put 1 over here. Now we get to do the same thing. We get to make this even into a really silly representation. So let's take 100 away and add 10 to our tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's take away 10 and add 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just do that again. We're going to take this one away, which equals 10, and add 10 more over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, this is 341, but in a silly representation. You can do this as many times as you want. You could take all of these away and put all of these equal whatever this equals and put it into ones over here. Now that would require a lot of chips because one of these equals 10 of these, and I don't think I have enough to do that, but this is just a way to do different representations with your chip abacus while regrouping. So I hope you guys learned something today. This was fun. We reached our goal of trying to learn how to regroup on a chip abacus. But before we leave, I want you guys to think of, I have a question for you. I want you to think about if I had only 3 here, if I had 1, 2, 3 here, how could I make this into a silly representation? How could I put some tens on here and some ones on here using just these 3? I want you to think about it and we'll talk about it next time. Good job, guys. Bye.